What's up, Swell Patrol? We are the Not So Newlyweds. I am Jocelyn.
And I'm that fucker sitting over here that's not.
He is Daniel the Punk. Anyway, tonight we're doing a reaction for... Stop trying to think of something smart ass to say.
I was actually trying to say how long it would take her to strike me. It didn't take very long. Y'all, this is A-Cal featuring Brodnax, and this is Ratchet Strap. We've gotten several hits for this, and I've even gotten picked at because we hadn't done it yet, so we're here to do it. This is A-Cal and Brodnax. Yep. I can't see this sucking. So.
Sure, it's going to be great.
What is this, rap? Country rap? Man, it's both.
You know I ain't fucking with you. Living my life like I got nothing left to prove. I keep on grinding till there's nothing left to do. Hey, just remember that it's all on you. Ooh.
Let's go.
I'm swinging for the fences, knock the cover off the ball. Rocking coveralls, I've been hot for so long, I'm not gonna see the fall. Paul Wall taught me how to, you know, ball. And all y'all fake as shit, middle of the mall. I've been rapping like a motherfucker. 8 albums, 2 years, all these plaques, who cares? You don't get the news there, you looking at Tukey. I'm just looking at you goofies. You don't even know who Tukey is. I know you just my little kids. I'm slap boxing, rap monster, quit now, my last option. Bank account fat, action Bronson, money bag sack. Get your honey fucked in the ass in the back of a hatchback. You just half-assed, I'm sick as fuck, I need a hazmat.
Yeah. Johnny, where you going with that shotgun, Johnny?
That bitch knows it's in trouble. You hear her saying, ooh.
I'm liking the groove on this. That I like the bass drop.
Not my favorite flow from A-Cal, but the groove is definitely cool.
I'm flowing on that shit, that's for sure.
I always like the bass drops. That's
Yeah. Johnny, where you going with that shotgun, Johnny?
That bitch knows it's in trouble. You hear her saying, ooh.
John tell Bobby, bitch, they say they never heard of me. Old white cat, murdering every fucking beat that Adam put him on. You can't duplicate a clone, perform better under pressure. I won't be in breaker. Got a crying under grind, bitches really going down. If you had a pair of blue blockers, you cannot stop the shine. When I find what I'm looking for, I put it in a figure 4, and even if it tap, bitch, I ain't letting go. This for the ones that never made it, and everybody that hated. If we ever traded places, the pressure would break us. Ain't no faking, I'm under the old law. Pause, Papa, the coldest white boy that they ever saw.
You know I ain't fucking with you. Living my life like I got nothing left to
Called himself Papaw there. I don't remember my Papaw being that cool.
My Papa was definitely not that cool. My Papa was a cool dude, but he wasn't that cool.
Right. Mine was too, but he wasn't Brodnax cool.
No.
Man, I've said it before, I'm going to say it again, man. Brodnax is cool as the underside of a pillow. I think I said that about Demon before,
Yeah,
too.
Demon is, he's the
He's
real
cool
dude. And Brodnax,
Yeah,
he's awesome.
right,
I like
man.
his flow a little bit better.
Yeah.
Cool.
And I can't help but smile. So far out of everything we've done from Brodnax, once he's taken front and center, I can't help but smile.
Yeah.
I can't help it.
Yeah, he's a cool dude.
Yeah, right, man. I want to go get shitty with Brodnax, man. Brodnax, aren't you down in Louisiana? You ain't too far from us, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, we're in South Mississippi. We ain't far.
Let's go tie one on, brother.
And I'm under the old law. Pause, Papa, the coldest white boy that they ever saw.
You know I ain't fucking with you. Living my life like I got nothing left to prove. I keep on grinding till there's nothing left to do. Hey, just remember that it's all on you. Ooh.
Something about how tough you are, that's what I heard. Softer than a perm, probably keep your money in a purse. Shoot them both down. 2 for 1, put them in the hearse. I ain't trying to hear how much it costs for me to do a verse. And I ain't doing shit unless it's Jelly Struggle Church. And you ain't doing shit but never standing on your word. What's
I actually don't know that I have a reason for her to pause that other than I want to hear that last couple of lines again.
Okay, well, I'll back it up.
Okay.
I may have went too
I
far.
like
You are,
Brodnax.
that's what I heard.
Softer than a perm, probably keep your money in a purse. Shoot them both down.
2 for 1, put them in the hearse.
I ain't trying to hear how much it costs for me to do a verse.
And I ain't doing shit unless it's Jelly Struggle Church. And you ain't doing shit but never standing on your word.
What's worse?
This shit is for the birds. And I ain't giving up until my name is mentioned
No, I
first.
ain't fooling with you. Living my life like I got nothing left to prove. I keep on grinding.
The line that ACAL, I think it was like the first line of his little entry there, about people talking shit about how tough they are. Let me tell you something. And I'm like this about everything. If you got to tell somebody how tough you are, it's the same with so many other things, man. I could sit here and listen to 100. If you have to continually tell and try to explain to somebody how you're this or that or whatever, chances are you're really not.
Yeah.
It's like you're trying to sell yourself that you are as much as the people you're telling. Yeah, if you got to tell me you're tough. Now, I've been around the block, man. I've been in my share of fights, won my share, lost my share.
Mm-hmm.
But you can look at a son of a bitch and know, all right, there's a guy that unless I got to, I'm probably not fuck with. He doesn't have to tell me. He doesn't have to tell me. I can tell by the way a person carries themselves, you know, the set of their jawline and eyes. I mean, if you got to tell me, if you got to tell me. And like I said, it's not just about being tough. It's a lot of things. If you have to continually tell somebody, then chances are you're trying to make yourself believe it. Who are you trying to convince, me or you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on. What's that shirt say?
I'm sorry.
I was trying to see what Brodnax's shirt said.
For the birds. And I ain't giving up until my name is mentioned
No, I
first.
ain't fooling with you.
Something.
I can't see it right there.
Living my life like I got.
Something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's finish the song.
Left to prove. I keep on grinding till there's nothing left to do. Hey, just remember that it's all on you. Ooh, you know I ain't fucking with you. Living my life like I got nothing left to prove.
Show love.
I keep
Something.
on grinding till there's nothing left to do. Hey, just remember that it's all on you. Ooh, you know I ain't. Come on, dog. Come on, dog.
I really like Brodnax on that one. Like a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah, I think Brodnax kind of
Yeah, he
stole the show a little bit on that one.
Yeah.
Not hating on ACAL. We love ACAL
Yeah.
here. But it's hard in anything we've done so far, especially anytime there's a collab. And we've done several now where Brodnax has been part of 2 or 3 guys collabing. And that bastard steals the show almost every time.
Yep.
Brodnax, man. Brodnax. ACAL, Brodnax, that was good shit. I like that song.
Yep.
I really do. Thank y'all for recommending that one. Like I said, I do have to say, for me, a little bit, Brodnax kind of stole the show a little bit on that
Oh
one.
yeah, he did.
That motherfucker, I'm telling you, Brodnax, if you ever see this, man, come on, man. I'll pay for the shots, brother. Let's do this. I want to hang out with that bastard bad.
Alright, y'all. If y'all like us, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave us some more recommendations. We've got a few Brodnax, but not a whole lot yet. Of course, I think somebody said that he didn't have a whole lot out just yet, but he's got several. So, leave us some recommends.
I'm not gonna have a problem doing Brodnax.
I know, never.
I wish that was my papa.